Good evening, students. Hi, how are you? Welcome back. 10th standard CBSE section. Uh, Last lecture we have seen the roots of quadratic equation, and now we'll move forward. The next topic is to find out nature of roots. Now, as we have seen, the roots of the equation x square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is given by x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here, the important thing, this particular part d square minus 4ac is called as discriminant, and this will decide the nature of root, isn't it? This will decide the nature of roots. So to find out nature of roots, what is important here is this discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So where b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. So whenever the word discriminant occurs, that means it is b square minus 4ac. Now we have three types of nature of roots depending upon the discriminant. First, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the two distinct real roots, the equation will have two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac equals to 0, there are two equal roots. There are two equal roots. Remember this 3 points. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. The equation will have two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac equals to 0, equation will have two equal roots. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the equation will have no real roots. The roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. There will be no real roots. Okay. So, in exercise 4.4, in question number 1, we have to find out nature of roots. We have to use discriminant. Here, comparing with standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here, a equals to 2, b equals to minus 3, c equals to 5. We have discriminant b square minus 4ac equals b का value minus 3, the whole square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 5. 9, 4 2s are 8, 5s are 40. Minus 31, which is less than 0. Minus 31. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Therefore, the equation has no real roots. Getting it? Easy है? चलते हैं आगे. Next, question number 2. क्वेश्चन लिख रहा हूँ, फिर मैं ये निकाल देता हूँ. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. This will be 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equals to 0. Here, a is equal to 3, b equals to minus 4 root 3, c equals to 4. Okay? Chalo, we'll put the values here. B square minus 4 root 3 square 4 into a into c. Minus का square will be positive. 4 का 16 into root 3 का 3. 4 4s are 16. 48. 48 minus 48 equals to 0. So if b square minus 4 is equal to 0, it will have two equal roots. Therefore, the equation has two equal roots. Simple. Getting it? है easy? और एक सम कर लेते हैं. और एक सम कर लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 देख लो पहले आराम से, कोई घाई नहीं है. Question number third. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so again comparing with this, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. Substitute the value here. B square, this is minus 6 ka square minus 4 into 2 into 3, 36, 4 2 za 8 3 za 24, which is 12, which is greater than 0. 12 is greater than 0, so b square minus 4 is greater than 0. That means it has two distinct and real roots. Therefore the equation has two distinct and real roots. Clear? Okay, so question 1 has three sub questions which we have solved. We'll move on to question number 2. Find the value of k. Okay, we'll move on. Remember this, if b square minus 4 equals to 0, they have two equal roots. For equal roots, b square minus 4ac should be equals to 0. Now I am removing this. To solve question number 2, we should know question number 2. Find k for which the following equation so have equal roots. Following equation have equal roots. It is already given they have equal roots. We have to find out k. In this there are two sub questions. We'll solve both. 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals to 0. Again same condition, comparing with standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. A equals to 2, b equals to k, c equals to 3. So the equation has equal roots, that is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. B square minus 4ac, b is k, minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 3 equals to 0. So k square, 4 2 za 8, 8 3 za 24 is equal to 0. So k square is equal to 24. So k is equal to under root of 24. Okay, that is plus and minus. So you can write k is equal to plus minus 6 4 za 2 root 6. Getting it? 2 root 6 will be the answer. 4 into a into c, 2 3 are 6, 6 4 are 24. Minus 24 goes on that side, plus 24 root of 24 is this. Start. Question number 2. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. We'll open the bracket first and then we'll compare. So k into x will be kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equals to 0. Getting it? Comparing with standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a equals to k, b equals to minus 2k, c equals to 6. Same. The equation has equal roots that is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. B square, that is minus 2k the whole square minus 4 into a k into c equals to 0. Minus 2 ka square is minus ka square positive. 4k square, 6 4s are 24k equals to 0. 4k common, k minus 6 equals to 0. So this will be, I'll write here, I'll write here, listen to this, or I'll repeat this out. Continuing this, 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. So k equals to 0 or k equals to 6. Okay, try the remaining sums, and we are done with this chapter. In next lecture I'll start the new chapter, mostly trigonometry. Go through all the videos and let us get back to studies and let us utilize your time. Okay, bye.